Welcome to another video. Keep watching to see how to make this super simple silhouette Santa sleigh and reindeer card. All that you need to make this card is one black pen, a pencil to draw out the design, and then whatever paper you're going to use for the base of your card. The first step is to draw out the design in pencil. Then, once you have everything drawn out in pencil, take your thin black pen and outline the design. Here I'm using my favorite Faber-Castell pens, and this pen is in size F. I started by outlining the Santa and the sleigh, and then I moved on to the 3 reindeer, and finally I drew in the reins. Then the final step of this card is to simply color everything in using the same pen, or if you have a slightly thicker black pen that you wish to use, go ahead and switch over to that. But I found using this thin pen worked well as the shapes weren't all that big and it made it nice and easy to draw in the small little details. A really easy way to change up this design would be to simply change the color of pen that you're using. Say using red or green would give this card a really unique and different look. And once you have everything colored in, this simple and elegant holiday card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this holiday card yourself. Thanks for watching.